Morning, my dear students. Welcome to our next session. Today's session, we are going to discuss about lines of magnetic field. Another name of it, magnetic field lines. How to understand the magnetic field lines? Here, we need to do one activity. That activity, first it requires some materials. The materials are drawing board or on a horizontal table, drawing sheet or white paper, drawing pins and magnetic compass, bar magnet, pencil. See, we have the bar magnet like this. We have bar magnet. We have to take the bar magnet as well as magnetic compass. Bar magnet is the dipole having north and south pole, and magnetic compass. This magnetic compass we use to find the direction. So first we have to fix one white paper on drawing board with pins. Using the pins, we have to fix the paper and bring the magnetic compass and place it middle of the paper and find the north pole direction from the by using the magnetic compass. We have to put dot here and that opposite corner, opposite end having the south pole. So now we have to put the dots and remove the magnetic compass and join the line north and south pole. Now we place the bar magnet. Place the bar magnet. It shows the north and south pole. Join the lines and place the bar magnet. And now trace this bar magnet by using the pencil. I use the pencil and trace out the bar magnet. Now remove the bar magnet. We get the tracing of bar magnet and we have to indicate the north and south pole. Now again we bring the magnetic compass and place the magnetic compass near the north pole, and we can observe the deflection of the magnetic compass. Then put the dot at two ends. Again we have to place remove the magnetic compass and place it here, and again it deflect and show the north direction. So put the dot with pencil and continue this up to north to south pole and join this. You have to continue like this and join this dotted points which we get by using the magnetic compass, and join these lines, join these dots with pencil. You get the one curve like this from north to till end the south. You start from north and end with south. So have to continue another side of the bar magnet. Here from north to south, we have to place the same way magnetic compass here and put the dots and join the dots. You get the curve line like this, and the same way you have to continue. We have to place the magnetic compass far from the magnet and it deflects. So on, we get the another curve line like this, and we have to continue we have to place the far from the magnet, have to place magnetic compass and put the dots. We get the like this curved lines. So it shows by using the magnetic compass, the deflection shows magnet having the effect of the compass in this particular region. This is called as magnetic field. Affection of magnet, it is the magnetic field. So north to south we have to connect the dots, we get curved lines. The same way we have to place the magnetic compass above the north pole and below the north pole. There we can observe, we get this type of lines. Here we can conclude one point here, that is, we can observe the magnetic field lines are always moving from north to south direction. North to south. North to south. It means it seems to be the magnetic field lines are enter into the south pole and leaving from the north pole. Very, very important point. Always the magnetic field lines are enter into the south pole and leaving from the north pole. So it's leaving from the north pole. That's why we can draw it arrow mark this side. It means the magnetic field lines are moving away or leaving from the north pole and enter into the south pole. So here we keep the arrow in this direction. So this can shows the lines of magnetic field. It means the lines which are drawn affecting the magnet field. And these magnetic field lines are imaginary lines, not exactly. These are imaginary lines. The imaginary lines which are drawn from the magnetic field, that imaginary lines are the magnetic field lines or lines of magnetic field. Suppose these magnetic field lines are, this is magnetic field, suppose here we can observe the magnetic field lines are very close. This is called as